If you've got car messes coming faster than you can get to the car wash, this little Powools vacuum might be exactly what you're looking for. Powools sent this to me to check out, but all opinions are my own. I have 6 kids, so my car is never clean for long. This Powools handheld vacuum is going to change that. I love that it's cordless, making it so easy to use. As long as it's charged up, I can put it in the car and have it whenever disaster strikes. It comes with 3 different attachments that help you reach all those tricky spots. I've used it to clean up dirt, sand, dust, and crumbs, and everything else my kids leave in the back seats. It's got a solid battery, which gives me about 20 minutes of strong suction. And for those who like to clean every nook and cranny, there's a bright LED light built into the vacuum. This feature makes it so much easier to see messes, especially in dark spaces in the car. Cleanup is easy, as the dust and crumbs are collected in the front of the vacuum. I just pop it off, remove the HEPA filter, and pour it out. Piece of cake. Overall, I've been really impressed with the Powools Cordless Handheld Vacuum. It's lightweight, versatile, and powerful enough to tackle our crazy car messes. So if you're looking for a portable vacuum that can handle everything from pet hair to dust, I highly recommend you give this one a try. I really like it, and I hope you will too.